To transfer money from Touch and Go to Alipay, start by launching the TNG Wallet app on your phone and signing into your account using your login credentials or biometrics. Next, tap the Pay icon at the bottom left corner and select Transfer Money under the Pay section. A list of recent beneficiaries will be displayed, but choose the Other option to proceed. Enter the amount to be transferred and tap the Done icon. On the next page, select the FPS option and find Alipay on the list of popular banks. Then, choose the Registered FPS Mobile Number option under the Transfer Channels. Update the recipient's mobile number, and tap Done to proceed. Finally, verify your transfer details, agree to the terms and conditions, and authenticate the transfer. With these simple steps, you can easily transfer money from Touch and Go to Alipay.